All right, so this is the story of how I almost accidentally set the entire chemistry lab on fire. And honestly, I'm still surprised I wasn't banned from science forever. It was 11th grade, and we had this experiment where we had to mix some chemicals and heat them up using a Bunsen burner. Pretty straightforward, right? Well, my lab partner was this guy who loved to push boundaries. He's the kind of person who reads instructions like, "Do not shake," and goes, "Challenge accepted." So, we're working, carefully mixing stuff, and I'm doing my best to follow the safety rules. But then my partner, let's call him Jake, says, "What if we add just a little extra of this chemical? For science." I'm hesitant. "Jake, maybe we shouldn't." Too late. He pours way more than a little extra, like half the bottle. At first, nothing happens. We're feeling like lab geniuses. Then, suddenly this crazy fizzing starts. Foam bubbles up like a science volcano, but here's where it gets really bad. The foam shoots right towards the Bunsen burner flame, and bam! A huge flame shoots up, way higher than it should. The whole lab goes silent. The teacher turns around just in time to see the fireball. Jake and I freeze. I swear my heart stopped. She just calmly walks over, waves the fire extinguisher like a pro, and puts it out in seconds, and then says, "This is why you don't add a little extra, Jake." We got sent to the principal's office. The best part? The whole class started calling Jake Firestarter, and me, the accomplice. And just when I thought I'd survived, Jake whispered, "Want to try it again next week?" Nope, never going back to chemistry. Moral of the story? In science, the only thing you should add extra to is common sense.